Hello students, in today's video we are going to study maths. Today we will learn about multiplication. So let's understand the concept of multiplication. Multiplication is when you take one number and add it together a number of times. Multiplication is when you take one number and add it together a number of times. We use to indicate multiplication is the cross sign. So let's start multiplication. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. We will learn multiplication by tables. You must remember the multiplication table to multiply. So let's start. The first is to multiply 2 into 2. 2 into 2. So we will see in a table what will be the answer. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 2s are 4. So our answer will be 4. So we will write 4 in a box. Next is 4 into 3. 4 into 3. So what will be the answer? Let's see in a table. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 1 to 12. 4 3s are 12. So what will be the answer? 12. 1 to 12. Next is 5 into 5. Let's see in a table. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 4, 20. 5 into 5, 25. 5 5s are 25. So our answer will be 25. So we will write 25 in a box like this. Next is 6 into 4. So let's check in a 6 table. 6 into 1, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 3, 18. 6 into 4, 24. 6 4s are 24. So our answer will be 24. So we will write 24. Next is 7 into 2. 7 into 2. Let's see in a table. 7 into 1, 7. 7 into 2, 14. 7 2s are 14. So we will write 14 in a box. Our answer will be 14. Next is 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Let's see in a 5's table. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3, 1 5, 15. So our answer will be 5 3s are 15. 1 5. Understood? Now we learn to multiply two-digit number by a single digit. So always keep in mind children, when we are using two numbers, we will always use to start with ones position. Okay. So let's start. First 5 into 3. 5 into 3. So what will be the answer? 5 into 3. Let's see. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3, 15. 5 3s are 15. So we take ones position, that is 5. The way we additions carry over 1. Then 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is, let's see, 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 2s are 10. So 5 2s are 10, and then we add this. Okay. So our answer will be 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. Understood? Next, 6 into 5. Let's see in a table. 6 into 1, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 3, 18. 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 5, 30, 30. 6 5s are 30. So here we will write 30, 0 and 3 carry over. Next is 6 into 5. 6 into 5. Let's see. 6 into 1, 6. 6 into 2 12, 6 into 3 18, 6 into 4 24, 6 into 5 30, 6 5s are 30. So 30, and then we add this 3. So our answer will be 33. Next, 4 into 3. 4 into 1 4, 4 into 2 8, 4 into 3 12. 4 3s are 12. So we will write 12's 2, and then we add 1 carry over. Next is 4 into 1. 4 into 1 4 plus 1 5. So we will write 5. Next is 2 into 4. 2 into 4. So let's see in a table. 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 4 8. So we will write 8 here. Then 2 into 7. Let's see. 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 4 8, 2 into 5 10, 2 into 6 12, 2 into 7 1 4 14. 2 sevens are 14. So we will write 1 4 14. Next, 7 into 2. Let's see in a 7's table. 7 into 1 7, 7 into 2 14, 1 4 14. So we will write 14's 4 here and 1 carry over. Then 7 into 1, 7 into 1, 7 into 1 7 plus 1 8. So we will write 8. Then 3 into 8. Let's see in a 3's table. 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 3 9, 3 into 4 12, 3 into 5 15, 3 into 6 18, 3 into 7 21, 3 into 8 24. So we will write 24's 4 here and 2 carry over. Next is 3 into 6. Let's see in a table. 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 3 9, 3 into 4 12, 3 into 5 15, 3 into 6 18. 3 6 are 18 plus 2 19 20. So we will write 20. Understood? I hope you have understood it. You have to practice it. Thank you.